Hello everyone. I started to call this clip How to Ultimately Fix Your Keurig version 2.0. But then I thought, nah, what it's actually going to be about is just buy a new Keurig. Here we go, a new K Supreme. After trying to fix this for the last time, and you see that the clock is just blinking and blinking. Everything on the right side of the screen, once we go to set the coffee ounces, work just fine, but try to do anything where you had to touch the left side of the screen, it wouldn't respond. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do an opening of a new Keurig. This is the new Keurig K Supreme. This features the multi-stream technology, and the universal cups from your prior model is not compatible with this. The booklet that comes with this is very, very complete. This is the first model that I've had that had the carbon filter, and I would highly recommend that you read the instructions on this. It's not that complex, but it is very, well, the container and how it all fits together, you would want to pay close attention to this. These pictures are showing the carbon filter in place inside the water reservoir. Here is a common sense label on top of the water reservoir. By the way, you can move this water reservoir from the side to the back and probably to the other side as well. All pictures inside of this video that are about the literature are from this booklet that is included with the packaging. It's well worth the reading. I know some people don't like to read the instructions, but it does help a lot, and pay close attention to this warning. The water reservoir does have a max fill line etched on the side of it. It's kind of hard to see sometimes. Literature does encourage you to do a cleansing brew before doing the first brew. Also, it recommends to do this once a week. If you look closely, you can see that the multi-stream technology is the reason why you cannot use the previous universal cup. And this is how you ultimately fix a Keurig version 2.0 with the digital display. You get another Keurig without a digital display, of course. And welcome home, Keurig K Supreme.